starts 140, open hairpin left, good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, 140. Turn, open hairpin left, 30. Slight left, 50. Left over crest, 120. Right over crest, 300. Right over crest, 40. 3 right, 100. 6 right, 80. 5 left, tightens over crest, into 5 right, slowing, 60. Turn acute hairpin left. Into slight right, 70. 5 right short, at house, into left over crest, 50. 5 right, half long, into dip, 40. 1 left short, 100. Slight right over crest, 30. 6 left, tightens 3, opens half long, over crest, 40. 3 right, half long, and crest, 100. 5 right sharp, into 4 left short, over crest, 120. 6 right, tightens, over jump, 50. 5 left short, over crest, 120. 5 left, at junction, 50. 3 left, half long, through junction, 500. Late 5 right, opens, 70. Slight left over crest, tighten 6, 90. 6 left over crest, 80. Big jump, brake, 80. 3 left, 30. 6 right. And turn square right, into bridge. Into slight left, 200, slowing. Turn square right. 140. Right over crest, 70. 6 right over small crest, 120. Slight right. Into crest, slowing, 70. Unseen, 2 left. Half long, opens. Slight left, extra long, over crest, tightens. 5 left short, 40. 3 right, half long, 30. 6 left over crest. Into 6 right, 50. Slight left. Into crest. Into 6 right, slowing. Into 4 left, through junction. And 5 left over crest, 70. 6 left, 60. 4 right over crest, opens, 100. Left over small jump, 50. 6 right, over jumps, 50. Slight right over crest, finish, 90. Jump to stop. Okay, that's a 3 minute, 33.6.